The First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa is publicly denied accusations that she is a danger to the lives of military generals, or that she orchestrated a military-style takeover to install a convicted armed robber brother as Chief Negomo in Chiweshe, saying she never took part in the ceremony and was merely sitting at the back row. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The denial comes amid growing evidence, including video footage and eyewitness accounts suggesting otherwise. In quotes, no, I don't fight anyone. Actually, I expect you to call me when there is something that you need. Auxillia Mnangagwa told journalists in Bachikanta in exclusive recording exchange. You used to phone me over the Nogomo stories, and I didn't even go with those soldiers. I was actually sitting at the back row, and I didn't even participate. The allegations are explosive. Investigations by ZVAITWA reveal that President Mnangagwa and his newly graduated wife, who was controversially awarded a PhD in tourism and hospitality by Maryland State University, have been assembling a parallel power structure since 2021, reportedly involving a network of former criminals and armed robbers. The motive? To fortify themselves against the Vice President Chiwenga's military influence, which remains entrenched from the Mugabe era. At the center of the current firestorms is Paradzai Kuchikauripo, a former armed robber turned state official, now controversially crowned as Chief Negomo. Kuchikauripo, who previously served 4 years at Chikurubi maximum prison for armed robbery, was released early under a presidential amnesty signed by Mnangagwa when he was Justice Minister. He now also holds the post of Director of State Residencies, placing him in one of the most sensitive security portfolios in the government. Despite the First Lady's denials, multiple sources and video footage contradict her vision of events. State media coverage show her at the front row during the inauguration, now in the background, as she claimed. One clip shows her addressing the gathering crowd with a microphone in hand. Other footage from the earlier military-led takeover depicts her arriving in a motorcade, accompanied by soldiers, police, and Central Intelligence Organization officers. The First Lady are involved in these acts pamwechete nekutsakatika kwema generals. Kunyange panguva ino mashoko ari kutaura ari kungodradicta kune state media recorded evidence inana Simba Chikanza. Tuze mafundo enyu matudi kuchitiko chimira kumesection enyu zvafundo enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.